Hi everyone. In our third video, we are going to explore the creation of relationships within our data model. As indicated in our ER diagram, we need to establish one-to-many relationship between several tables. Like we want to create a one-to-many relationship between a customer and communication table, customer and customer address table, then customer and customer product table, likewise. So let's start by navigating to Profisee and creating a one-to-many relationship between the customer means person and the customer address entity. So as you can see, we have customer address and the person table, and we want to create one-to-many relationship between these particular tables. So for that purpose, we need to create a domain-based attribute of type person representing the customer entity. For that purpose, we have to simply drag this person entity from here and drop into the attributes of the customer address table. It will directly create the person domain based attribute. Now we can create the relationship between the person and customer address table. For that purpose, we have to click on the customer address table. Then we have to click on the relationships. Then we have to click on the create. And then we have to choose the parent relationship from here. In the child section, firstly, we have to select the domain based attribute which we have created earlier, which is person. Then we have to click on the parent table, and from here the person table is automatically get selected. Then we have to click on save. Okay, so we have to give the role plural here. And then we have to click on the save option. So it will the one-to-many relationship between the person and customer address table gets created. So by repeating the similar process to create a relationships between other tables in our data model, we have to ensure the consistency and coherence throughout. And that wraps up today's tutorial. Thank you for joining us and stay tuned for more insightful content in our tech series. Thank you.